guys, this is your girl Max 3 Live, and I'm back in the kitchen again, and today I'm cooking oxtail. I'm going to show you how I marinate my oxtail. I wash my oxtail with lemon and vinegar, and I have some chopped onion over there, and I have some scallion and thyme, ginger, and some pepper. So now I start off already with some oxtail season on this. Yes, so this is all-purpose season, and all my product is from Jamaica. So if you want this, you can go in the Jamaican section and find it. And I love my onion powder. I put some on it too. And some paprika. As much seasoning you want to, because let me tell you, nothing like your food well seasoned and marinade. So I have this complete season. I use this on everything. Yes, I do. I love this. You don't have to put a lot, if you know what I mean. So yes, all of the seasoning is in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some coconut oil or vegetable oil. So this is vegetable oil. I normally use coconut oil and everything I'm doing. I'm not using a lot. I'm just using like a teaspoon for me. Okay. Oops, sorry. And this is my browning from Jamaica. All my season, you can go to Walmart, Publix, and Food Depot, and you find all the Jamaican seasoning in there. Guys, I don't like to see my oxtail too dark. So I don't use a lot, but for you to measure, just use maybe a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. Pretty much that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine all of this together. You can put on your gloves, but I like to use my hand in this thing. Yes. So when I'm through, I'm going to marinate this for a couple hours. So combine all your season. Do not use salt, because you know most of your season already have salt. You will use salt during cooking. All right, that's it for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine everything in here. Before I do that, hold on. I forgot this magic right here. A lot of people don't use this, but put some ketchup in there. Yep, like 2 teaspoons. I don't know measurement right now. Now I'm going to put in all my scallion. I wash these things also, guys. And my ginger. Ooh, honey. Now I'm going to combine everything together. Yes. Here you go. I'm going to have this. I'm going to leave this in the fridge overnight, and then I will cook this oxtail tomorrow. Okay, so my oxtail is marinated and ready to cook. So I put a pot on the stove. I put it on medium heat, and I put some vegetable oil in it. Not much. Not much. You don't want too much grease, because the oxtail already have grease. You just want it to brown your oxtail. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take off all the vegetable that I season the oxtail with, and then I'm going to leave it for later. So since the pot is hot, you can test your pot like this. It's ready. What I'm going to do is take off all the seasoning and put my oxtail in there. Yes, honey. You can use a fork, you can use your hand. especially where you can smell the season and you know that it marinates. Oh my God. Sometimes when I'm doing this for Christmas, when I'm doing the oxtail for Christmas, I marinate it like 2-3 days. 2-3 days. And when you take those oats, when you marinate them for so long, let me tell you, man, to the bone. If you have to cook oxtail the same day when you're seasoning it up, just put some oil in it so the oil will marinate it a bit faster. And just leave it out for even 2 hours before you cook it. Nice over an eye. Alright, so I got it where I want it. That's enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some water on it. But guys, I'm using, as you see the heat, I'm using hot water. Use hot water instead of cold water. Make sure it moves around freely. And then you're going to cover this until it's cooked, until it's tender. Now, you got to check on it because you're going to need more water, but you just can taste it or, you know, cut through it with your knife to make sure it's tender. And yes, so the finish is coming up. So it's, see, right here, so thick this is, that's the gravy. So now I'm going to put in, this is the Grace butter bean. I'm going to put 2 cans in there. I pour it in a plate and I wash it with cold water. Yeah. So the bean already cooked, so you don't need to cook it. Pretty much you're warming it up. So I combine it together. I'm gonna leave it for maybe two minutes and then I turn off the stove. And here you go, oxtail and butter bean. Serve with rice and gungo and tomato on the side. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this video. And if you're new, subscribe and share, like and comment. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day and I hope you enjoy this recipe with me.